I have a question
Sure.
about this model. She doing political German reactions, and Dieter Bohlen. Yeah.
Anything specific you want to get feedback
What
on?
would you improve to do it more, factualize more? Because we got a lot of comments and all good opinions. They were writing along a lot of text because Germans,
Yeah.
but maybe some add-ons.
I mean, there's three ways you can, like, basically how to convert all those people, right? Like, you get a bunch of engagement, but how to convert them in a better way.
Stories.
I mean that was the question, right? Like, how to get the conversion better. Yeah. There's like three ways I would go about it. Like, yeah, stories obviously, but you can just switch up the political content with conversion events, like kind of like one political video. Every time it gets good views, you can do like one sexual video. That's still maybe the kind of same audience. So you not only do the same vertical, but you also have some videos that are like bottom of funnel stuff where she's very sexual. Would be a bit hard to do, and I'm not sure if it's the move. Second would be like certain topics. Like, the problem is if we do videos about like, as someone, like, does she speak German, or is she like, okay? Because then I would just pick topics that make it a bit easier for her to like do it. Like, I don't know much about the bubble for you like you do, but I just pick a video where it's like, here, this person voted for the AFD, right? Whatever. And I would just like give a commentary like, yo, if like, is she like right wing or left wing? Nice. Like, I would just do like, yeah, like, if this continues, everyone who votes blue gets a free like head coupon or something, like, or, oh, the blowjob I'd give the guy who just did this or whatever. Like, you can always make her like give sexual offers to people that have the same opinion of her, or say like, well, those are the same type of people that want me to step on their balls with like high heels or whatever. You can, I'd say it's pretty easy to sexualize. You just have less political opinions. And third of all is like, every third video I'd probably pick a sexual topic. I mean, German politics is like a fucking war zone. Like, I'll just give it back, but there's like a new scandal every single day. So every third video I'd pick like one female politician that says, yeah, well, sex work should be legal or whatever. And then so you can even like pick very easily sexualized topics every third video, try to harvest all the attention, and then go back to the normal commentary.
But the format can be like reaction better.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I would experiment a bit so this format doesn't die down. Like, you can also do like a talking video about the one thing I hate about going to like Freibad in Germany is that I don't speak Arabic or whatever. Haha, like, very easily viral content. It's still political, but I would just do it for the sake of testing. So ideally you have like 4 or 5 formats that work and you can just rotate, because just sticking to one is risky, but that would be my take. For sure.
And if you add other Instagram accounts, would you do the same format because it's working and it's generating like in 10 million views per last 30 days? Or what would you do? Other niches?
And not niches, I'd probably just try different formats, because I'd argue like, if she's already known for that, I would just try different formats as well. Ideally, we kind of test what could work on the main account, but I would still stick with the political shtick, because people are probably going to find those accounts as well. But on one you can have political reactions, on one you can do street interviews, on one you can do rankings, if you want to go into that like account specific stuff.
But tweaking, for example, the